Good morning. This is exciting. So last night I impromptu got in the car and drove very far south. I am like 6 hours from home right now. I decided to switch it up and do something different. Now, this place is awesome. I went here about 2 years ago when I first started YouTube, and I'm in a much different spot right now. So I'm like very excited to revisit it. I'm at Granddaddy's Antiques in North Carolina. I remember they had epic stuff. I remember there was a lot of Holt Howard, a Bozo helium tank that I kind of really wanted, but in hindsight, probably couldn't have carried. Let's go in and see what it's about now. It's been a long time. This place is huge. I could easily get away with getting a cart. So much awesomeness. Look at this skirt. That's wild. Oh my gosh, I love the leopard print pajama bag doll. $18 for them. That's so great. I've never seen it in leopard print. Oh my gosh, and the pose doll, she's fantastic. She's one of the ones made in Japan. 24, that's a little close for me. I like the ones made in Japan. You usually see the Korea ones, I feel like. Ooh, cat rattle planter. How much are you? $16. Yeah, I remember decent amount of the prices were kind of like right where they needed to be, but still, I feel like I've found a lot of stuff here last time. Look at this skirt. Oh my gosh. You know, I love the clothing. What's this? So fun. I love the neon. Oh my gosh, stop it right now. Look at this completed purse. That is so fun. $12? I feel like I need that. And it's an older one. $12, I'll take that. That's a good deal. Yeah, made in Hong Kong. And what about this purple one? 15. Leopard coat. Oh, it's a cape. How fabulous. Look at this mirror. Oh my gosh. That's so fantastic. It's like $2,000. Look at the geometric deer set. That's an awesome set. $85 though. Also noteworthy, those are the plastic versions. There's also a ceramic version that sells for really good money. If it was $85 for the ceramic set, I would grab it, but not the plastic one. Cats. They look like Mexico maybe. We can leave those. I remember this booth. This isn't the booth I thought it was. Just kidding. Maybe it's the next one. Although, I don't know. Maybe it is. They had some really wild stuff in here. So it looks kind of like mostly closed now. Spooky cat head. Love the chalkware. Let's see. See some more cats over here. Cats on chain. It's missing one and it's $20. Oh, here it is. This is the booth I was thinking about. Dude, what? All right. I'm obsessed with Creepy Santa. It's a kind of bucket list item for me. $250 isn't a bad price, especially because it says it works. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. I feel like it's more exciting if I find it for less. What in the world is that? Okay, we need to address these freak show banners. They're reprints, though. That sucks. Those are so cool. I mean, they would be like hundreds and hundreds of dollars if they weren't. Dude, what? Monkey? Animatronic chimp. That's something else. Look. This is so wild. Oh my gosh. What is that? Check this out. Oh my gosh, it's an Italian resin. Oh, that's so cool. I've never seen it in this style. I've only seen the deer, and my deer like sold for like $85, $65. I don't think it's a bad price for a collector for sure, but for me, I think it's a little ballsy, especially because it weighs so much. You'd have to pay so much for shipping on top of that. Let's keep it moving. This e-pern is gorgeous. $140. Dude, this is a giant BBP cat. I think it's BBP, right? Yeah. That is amazing. That's probably a really good deal. 32. That's cool too. And what is this? This looks interesting to me. Weird. Kind of into the hammer pin. That's weird. Let's see. This is a fun one too. $10, and it's missing its button in the middle. Yes. Who could forget? This is where all the whole Howard was. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. All right, let's address these. I've never seen those before. $150. Oh my gosh, the Tilso Old Howard flower head people. How much are those that sell for crazy stupid money? $195. Yep. Oh my gosh. All right, let's start maybe at the top. The bluebirds. Wow. Okay, there's a lot happening here. 48 on those cats. This is crazy cool. I'm like super overwhelmed. Even though I knew this was coming, it's still a lot to take in. Let's see, garlic salt, Howard. Can't see a lot of the prices. $130 on the memo holder, and then the string holder, more common. I'm not as interested in it. The cottage cheese jar. I love this little sewing box. It's got a tape measure tongue. And look at those guys, the flat faces. Yeah, a lot of the stuff in this case is really spendy, and it's like, well, it's just right where it needs to be, honestly. This is fantastic. So I'm gonna leave it, but I'm gonna keep looking. Look at this case of salt and pepper shakers. I have a feeling these are gonna be right where they need to be too. I got one really cool pair I found in here the last time. But again, we're looking for resale, not for collectors. If you're a collector, you know where to go. Christ, that's so cool. Oh, just a few more noteworthy ones. This is so cute. 28 though, the bee. Yeah, again, all this stuff is right where it needs to be. 25 each, I believe. Yep. But really spectacular kitsch collection. Now, don't be disappointed, because there's still a lot more to go. Epic vomit clock. That's only 62. Oh my gosh, I see something. How do I get to it? How do I get there? Good grief. Let me go around the other way. Hold on. I'm like actually freaking out. This is amazing. How do I get there? Please don't be $1 million. It's not what I thought at all. Just kidding. I thought it was going to be Italian. Underwhelmed. It's really interesting. Wait, what is this? Interesting. Portugal. Well, not far from Italy. And what about the paper mache girl? I already see she has damage. Yeah, $30 and damage. Look at the penguin brush. That's fantastic. Well, the mouse is what originally caught my attention, but it's this owl that kind of wins for me. 38 though. Retail so good. This is pretty, but I'm way more into this. Oh, little Christ dog. 39. This is a cool little pottery piece. Ooh, the fish. Wait, is it 25 for the pair? No, of course not. 25 each. Not bad, but not for me. All right, there's a lot happening over here. What kind of animal is that? That's so strange. See the vases. And I also see the flat faces. Okay. Skip the troll section. First of all, this owl. 38. I feel like that's a steal. That's amazing. Below it, the Lego Japan calendar. 68. That's right where it needs to be. The flat faces. 25. What? That's actually kind of low. What's happening here? Silly bank. And then look at this. I just had this in orange, actually. That's really interesting. All right, now we'll go over here. This is really different. Again, all a little spendy. I feel like the vases have gone, the swung vases have gone kind of plummeting recently. I'm only gonna pick them up if they're super cheap. And I like them. Let's see. Over here, the fish, the bluebird, all kind of spendy. I like this weird dog. Little plastic cat. Priceless. And the next booth. This is insane. It's like every booth, there's something exciting to look at. Even though the prices are like retail, it's still good to get out and like see different places. You never know. Best bowler award. Oh my gosh, look at this pony planter. That is so cute. 39. Oh, the little lamp. That's got such a sweet face. I'm sure the head bases are gonna be spendy. But oh, that one's really broken actually. Yeah, got damage. Some really fun stuff up here. Love this Christmas decoration. That's actually not bad at 40. The toilet paper cover. Oh my gosh, she's fantastic. She's also 58. This is so great. Bowl of bangles. That's kind of a fun one. $3. I'll take that. It's probably impossible to get that price tag off, but frosted, $3. I'm not as crazy about that. I'll take this one though. Daisy necklace. Oh my gosh, so cute. Unfortunately, it's got mystery metal, so I'm a little nervous about that. I want to get something everybody can wear. I'm really allergic to stuff like that, so I don't mess with it usually. Oh wow, okay. Bangle-rama. Okay, where do we start? I don't know where to start. Green glitter is probably a good place to start. $8 sold. I got a nice little pile of ones that were fun colors that I didn't have a lot of and that are popular and had prices on them. Some of them didn't have prices on them. Cat bank. But there's more. The red, white, and blue one is fun, but it's wood. Wood's not as popular. This black one got all its rhinestones. $10. It's got a little bit of weird to it. I'm not as crazy about it. It's not as well done as I'd like it to be for $10. That necklace is fun. I had this queen bank, found it in Indiana. Look at this mouse pig.